Good morning, students. This session we are going to see some of the examples of your SQL queries, and you can see the table structures now. There are three tables are given in exercise number 1: property table, tax details and price details, and the corresponding fields have been given within the parentheses. So the first question is, you are asked to display the property ID, area, price and tax rate for all property which is located in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is one of the state name which is given under the state column in your property table. So you need to display by using the select command. Property ID, area, price and tax rate all has to be given after select keyword. From which table? We need to take from property table, and we need to join the tax details also. Why? Because the tax rate is the column of tax detail, so we need to go for the join query. So you have to go for simple natural join. So from keyword you can give your property table, use join keyword and tax details table name, where state is equal to Maharashtra. The next question is, display the area names and price where the price is in the range of 5,000 to 15,000 or 17,000 to 35,000. There are two different values have been given, and in between the R keyword has been there. That means whether if it falls under 5,000 to 15,000, that's also considerable, or it may be comes under the range of 17,000 to 35,000 price value. So obviously need to select from price table. So select area price from price details, where price, whenever you have the range of values, you need to obviously go for the keyword between and operator. So where price between 5,000 and 15,000, or you have one more choice, so price between 17,000 and 35,000. And the third question is nothing but display the state name which have the higher tax rate than Tamil Nadu. So first we should know the tax rate of Tamil Nadu. Then only we can compare what other states are having the tax rate which is higher than the Tamil Nadu. So first we have to frame the inner query. Select tax rate from tax details where state is equal to Tamil Nadu. So once the inner query has been executed, you can compare this tax rate with other states. Okay. So the outer query is nothing but select state tax rate from tax details where tax rate is greater than, and your inner query output. Next question is, increase the tax rate by 1% for Maharashtra. Simply you can do the arithmetic calculation by increasing the tax rate by 1%. That means the tax rate can be multiplied by 0.01. That can be considered as a new tax value. So I can use the alias keyword as from tax details for the particular state Maharashtra. The next one is display the average tax rate of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So you can go for the group function, average function, select average of tax rate from tax detail where state, it may be Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so I can use the in keyword, within bracket I can display the state names. Next one is identify the number of areas which has the minimum price than the areas in Gujarat. It is again a subquery. Why? Because first we should know the price of the Gujarat. Then only I can compare the number of areas which has the minimum price than the areas in Gujarat. So select count of area, number of areas. So I can go for the count function, count of area from price details where price less than, within bracket I can put the inner query, select price from price details where area is equal to Gujarat. You can see one more example. Here you can have again three tables: employee, department and sales table. So whenever you have the question which are linked the columns in between the tables, that means I just want to know the department of a particular employee, which department he is working, or otherwise which department sales is highest one. Like this, if you see any questions like this, then you can use the join keyword. Okay, so whenever you want the details from two different tables, okay, then obviously we need to go for the joins. So here, first question, select all item names containing part in their name. It's again a character pattern matching. That means wherever the part appears in the item name, I can select all the items. Okay, select item name. There should be a space should come, typo mistake. Item name space from sales, where item name like percentage part percentage. That means before and after part there may be any text. List all items that appear in sales with sales number in the range of 506 to 752. It's again can go for the between and keyword because I'm having the range of values. So you can go for where sales number between 506 and 752. Here, third one, find the employees whose salary is less than the average salary. Again, I have to go and find the average salary of the employee. Then only I can compare the value of the average salary with the salary of the remaining employees. So those who are getting the salary, which will be considered as the less than the average salary value. So average salary should be find out first, so that I can give that in your inner query. It has to be closed with a parenthesis. Who earns the lowest salary than Mr. Ranjit? Once again, it's a subquery. I should find out the Ranjit's salary, then only I can able to understand those who are getting the salary which is considered as less than Mr. Ranjit's salary. So you have to write the query for finding the Ranjit's salary as a inner query. So select salary from employee where employee name is equal to Ranjit. That is nothing but your inner query. In outer query, you can compare other salary and less than operator should be used. And the last one, the difference between the maximum and minimum salary of marketing department. So one particular department salary, okay, I need to do analysis. Okay, so what is the maximum salary and what is the minimum salary, and what's the difference between these two values? It may be the maximum salary is 10,000 and minimum salary may be 1,000. So I need to find out what's the difference in between the max and min. 10,000 minus 1,000. Okay, so I want that value for the particular department. Here the department detail I need to get it from the department table and salary from the employee table, so that I can go for the join query. Select max of salary minus min of salary from employee comma department. So the department name is common for both the table. So I can write like this, where employee dot department name is equal to department dot department name. Okay, like this you can try the queries for the upcoming slides. It's available in your GCR, so you can try. If you have any doubts, you can message me. Thank you.